Sunny the seed, and Pippa the bird. This is Sunny. He's a tiny seed, snuggled in the ground. He dreams of becoming a big, strong tree. One rainy night, plop, a baby bird named Pippa falls from her nest. Pippa, oh no, I'm all alone. But Sunny and his forest friends wanted to help. Squirrel brought warm leaves. The bees sang sweet songs. Even the wind blew softly to keep her warm. Then a kind girl named Lila came by. She saw Pippa and helped too. She made a tiny nest and gave her food. Lila, you'll be okay, little bird. We care about you, as Pippa healed. Sunny began to grow, because when we're kind to animals and nature, amazing things happen. Pippa flew high. Sunny reached for the sky. Lila smiled. The forest was happy. Be kind to people. Be kind to nature. Kindness makes the world grow. The end.